Someone's up there laughing, if anyone is even up there at all.
Where were you when you heard about that?
Yeah, I was in
And I want
Miami. I kind of
a
knew
life where I'm happy,
in Miami.
nothing too crazy, just a little less anxiety. And all of the grown-ups, yeah, they tried to warn me, but I don't think anyone saw this.
Nako, Mutya. Bakit? 2 days ka lang hindi nagla-live ah? Ano nang nangyayari sa'yo, Lods?
Everyone's fighting to be,
Hello,
just to be.
Stevie.
Can't you see?
Hello there.
Tawang-tawa, idol ah.
Is till you bleed, till you bleed, till you're screaming.
Shoutout kay Subs TV, yun o! Andito si Idol Subs TV, guys o!
Oh, Subs TV, let's go.
Let's go,
Oh,
idol.
Subs TV, shoutout sa'yo, buddy.
Hello,
Subs TV, let's go, idol.
Let's go, idol.
Hi, Subs.
Hello,
Oh my
Lods.
God, grabe. Subs TV.
Hello.
Gagi, nandito si Subs TV. What's up? Let's go, idol.
Let's go, boys.
I don't know if that's
Uy, ha? Subs TV.
you're gonna try.
Wala, maglaro ka ba? Mamamatay ka na.
And all of the kids, yeah, they're trying to tell us that maybe we should be trying to listen.
Yep, that's the action.
Everyone's
Hello.
fighting to
No way. No, I don't believe this.
just to be. Can't you see?
Ang mga maliliit na negosyo. Alvin L. Chico, ABS-CBN News.
Tiniyak ng Philippine Health Insurance Patrol, Sherry Ann Torres.
May pera ang PhilHealth kahit papinigil ng Pangulo ang singil nito sa dagdag kontribusyon ngayong taon na magtataas sana sa Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office at Philippine Gaming Corporation o PAGCOR na
TV Patrol, pa-shoutout po. Pa-shoutout po, Sir Noli. Sir Noli, pa-shoutout po. Subs TV po. Bayan. Naku. Hindi ako na-shoutout. Pa-shoutout naman po, Sir Noli. Idol Cardo, pa-shoutout po. Idol Coco, pa-shoutout po. Sir Cardo, pa-shoutout po. Sir Cardo, pa-shoutout po.
See